I have an F2E1 error code on Maytag Bravos XL washer. I'm getting this on the newly replaced interface? Is there a setting I need to do or calibration for the washer to start it? It is stuck on normal wash and will not start the cycle.
What happened just before your Maytag washer displayed this message?
Our interface was not working. Steam corroded connections on panel. So we replaced the part. It is the correct manufacturer approved part. Now that we turn it on, it is not moving past the normal cycle light and will not start.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
So I did the test to see what error codes came up. F2E1. This just started when I replaced the part.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question.
Thanks.
I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your washer. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. One moment.
Okay.
F2E1 means the interface board isn't communicating with the main board properly. If the wire connection between the interface board and main board check good, then the main board needs to be replaced since the interface board was already replaced. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.